I'm from civil engineering. I'm Manan Agarwal. I'm in civil engineering and I'm from Gujarat.
I'm Izyan and I'm from IT.
I'm Srishti. I'm from metallurgy and I'm from Mumbai.
I'm Prithviraj. I'm studying in mechanical branch and first year, of course.
My name is Adarsh. I'm in S6 chemical branch. I'm in first year BTech.
I'm Kabir. I'm from CDS.
Hi, I'm Tejal. I'm from Gujarat and I'm from Meta 2.
I'm Sparsh. I'm also from IT. I'm Ashutosh. I'm from CSE.
I'm Ruben. We from Meta. All three of us. Bangalore. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Harshita. I'm from Bangalore and I'm from Meta as well.
My name is Ankit. I'm in chemical.
I'm Shaurya and I'm also from CSE.
I'm Nikhil. I'm also from Bangalore.
Meta.
Meta. I'm Darsh. I'm from Meta as well. And Bangalore as well. Meta boys up.
Hello, I'm Shavani. I'm from Bangalore and I'm from Civil.
My name is Harsh. I'm in IT department first year.
I'm Vipul and I'm from EC. I'm Aryan and third time's the charm, so I'm also from IT.
Hi, I'm Vidushi and I'm from Civil as well. And I'm from Bangalore.
I'm Viren Garg. My branch is Tripoli. I'm from Haryana.
Krishna here. I'm from Bangalore and I'm from CSE department.
Beach.
Beach. The beach is the main part.
This way I get to be closer to Manipal, Goa, and also the beaches.
Because of my rank.
Was it too bad or too good?
Too bad.
Too bad, okay.
I came to NITK because of my rank. It was too good.
I strategically planned my thing to get metallurgy because I love metallurgy. And I chose metallurgy in this college. You know, it's getting top, like CSE top colleges like NIT Meghalaya.
Yeah, his roommate is pretty chill because he does IT.
What your roommate?
No. Like I have a thing with his roommate.
What?
He does.
Hey.
Listen. It's like he does the EG homework for us. So
Hey, wait, what?
we pay him.
Okay.
He's the middleman. He connects with the other guys who do it. So
Roommate makes us stay out of the room most of the time. He just locks her out. She
No,
puts
we
her
just-
on a timeout.
No,
though.
I don't think I have any say in this because my roommate left my room. So
Sayadri is good. Satpura and Aravali shit.
Oh, no. Karavali is the worst.
Karavali is the
Oh,
one that we all
Karavali.
can agree upon.
You're getting jumped. You're getting jumped.
But Karavali has the best videos, like paintings, graffiti.
bro, my room is there. My room is just like a lodge where I just go to sleep. Exactly. Same. Sometimes I don't even sleep. My roommate probably hates me.
Roommate. Yeah, we have roommates like proper villagers.
okay.
My roommate is also a villager.
Yeah, he's my roommate.
Whitefield villager, bro. Whitefield is not. Whitefield villager.
I have not been in my room for the past 2 weeks. So I really can't say anything about them. They're pretty chill.
Living with all your best friends together. It's fun. It's fun. It's really fun. And like we know when we are studying and like we have to pull an all-nighter, everyone else is there.
Except me, I'll be free.
But honestly, it's fine. You can eat it with.
It's way better than last year. As far as we have
It's not that bad. You can eat it on a regular basis, but don't overeat.
The night canteen is really good though.
Yeah, night
You can try
canteen.
night canteen. Prabha is the worst. And
Bro, come on.
That's crazy. Nescafe Maggie goated.
Nescafe is goated. Amul is also goated.
Amul's goated.
Amul has everything.
All
Everything you
snacks
need.
from Suprabha, everything's goated.
You're tired after a football game? Amul. After basketball game? Amul. You got it. Get some drinks. Hydrate yourself.
There's
And
a
play.
food court also after classes.
It's vegetarian though, but what?
The clubs are really nice. I like DDFC a lot. No, I wanted to join. I forgot to join. I forgot to fill out the form at all. So yeah.
they look pretty fire. The first day I came here, I saw that racing club, NITK Racing. They made some cool stuff there, and the clubs are very good. If I get time, I want to join one.
Clubs. Genesis. I mean, LSD. Peace out.
Yeah, the clubs are interesting and they offer many varieties in all the fields.
and we are not yet allowed to join any clubs because we are in first year, but we are allowed. Thank you.
We part of DD's fan club. DDFC.
Okay.
I'm in ESL.
I'm in FPSC, but
DDFC is basically the fashion, design, and drama
really
club.
good.
Yeah, it's
DD's fan club.
Yeah. Us three boys.
I'm in the music club, so it's kind of niche there. All the people there are very chill. I play the guitar and saxophone. Yeah, everyone's kind of niche there. Everyone knows their shit.
Music club is pretty good.
Music club is amazing.
We both are in music club. It's really good. The seniors are nice. Everyone's nice. We just have a good time. Room is ass. Budget is ass. They can't afford a fan, ceiling fan. But people are good. It's all vibes.
The club culture is really excellent here. I sat for DevSop recruits even though I could not get in. I am trying for Lit Cake because I'm interested in literature. Overall, the clubs are insanely competitive. But that makes it fun.
One guy from our EC, and the very first things he asked us is like, are the girls in IT hot? And then the same thing happens to this guy. Spurs comes up to it.
This brother asked me, how are the girls in CSE? The first question he asked me was that. In Satpura night canteen. He showed me a picture of his girlfriend. He asked me to rate her.
Yeah, I mean, the first day I met a guy, it was like, my room number is 27, his is 26. So like, I just went into his room and his room was open and he was just sleeping. I don't know what he was doing on the bed. So like, I just saw him and he freaked out completely. He's like, who the f*** you, man? It was the first day of college. And I'm like, अरे यार, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? And वहाँ पे जाके 20 मिनट के लिए introduction किया, एकदम full अच्छा रहा. Oh yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, we had a prof. I mean,
So apparently he came to class and the second bencher guy actually like cursed him. He was like, he comes late, we come early, and he still doesn't give attendance. And then he literally sits like a nonchalant guy. One hand on the desk, same on the hand, he literally sits facing opposite to us. Like we were literally running like roast on the group. So it was pretty goated.
Coorg. Precious Cup for sure.
Freshers Cup for sure.
The Freshers Cup was so good. The hype, the atmosphere around there was so good.
I think it would be the music night and Freshers Cup.
I think the Aurora night was interesting. We enjoyed the time dancing in the stage and
The seniors are chill. Oh, seniors are nice. They gave us cake and all. When? Huh? Civil engineers gave us
You guys should get.
What's the one thing you love about your seniors?
They give free food.
Yeah. We have one senior named Abhishek. He's such a cutie. Yeah, it's really good. The seniors are very chill. Like, I didn't expect it to be like this way, but the seniors are very chill.
Zero ragging.
I think you might be one of my favorites. No, she's just like buttering you.
Chill only, I guess. Some of them have a lot of ego. Mostly they're fine, I guess.
I mean, seniors here are pretty chill and helpful. I've not really met a bad senior per se. My favorite one, I mean, the most helpful are my department seniors who I talk to the most.
I haven't met that many seniors yet, but all those I've met, they're pretty nice. They're not that egoistic. I mean, they're nice to me at least. I haven't met them that much.
All the seniors here are really kind of helpful and they're all so very chill here.
Yeah, the same thing. Seniors are very chill. They go along with the vibe with us.
On some IET, some event, we asked for some seniors to rag us just chumma because there was no ragging.
I mean, at this point, I feel like seniors are better than juniors. I mean, my batch people are like mad retarded for some reason. It's kind of annoying at this point. So they're pretty chill and like fun to hang out with. I want to set some place on fire inside campus.
I want a placement because I'm from civil. We don't get placements.
Labors.
Metallurgy people are starters, the CEOs, right?
All of us CEO.
Yeah, all of us who like that.
I really hope I go to the lighthouse someday.
Yeah,
In the 4 years. I have it, bro. It's so fun. Yeah, so I think that's bucket list. Climbing the how many slopes? So many. 20? Yeah, so I'll not be going.
After these 4 years, I think I've been meaning to learn a lot of Tulu here. So I think that would help a lot if I'm planning on staying in Mangalore.
First year, the thing in my bucket list left is probably spend one whole night on the beach.
I wanna come after main campus time and then climb the LHCD ka wall.
Fine. Naughty?
I wanna smash some senior egos of NITK football club.
You said that.
We were expecting something else when you said smash.
Okay. The thing is, I've seen worse players than me in the team, and they're playing.
Name it for us.
I'm not naming. I'm not naming.
I'd like to start something of my own.
Same. If Goa के लिए भी same. यहाँ पे same.
I like
Same.
No.
Same.
Mohit Chauhan should come again. Mohit Chauhan should come again this year. Not see them out. Only Mohit Chauhan.
Lincoln Park. Lincoln Park, let's go.
I guess Karan Aujla would be nice.
Love stories or something should be fine. Love stories is better than the usual band, right? It's better. It's better. It's not mid basically. See Them Out is also very nice. Krishna is also nice.
See them out.
I think if you get any good artist who's like known by everyone, that's going to be honestly fine with me.
Samay Raina ko bulao.
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Last year, Mohit Chauhan.
Yeah. Yo, we have
Travis Scott. Travis Scott.
Let's go.
NITK
does not have that much pull.
But they can play Travis Scott music.
Yeah. They can do that.
They'll only play Pain.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I know. English on Sunidhi. Yes. Get her again. I would like Arijit also.
Arijit Singh would be great.
I think doesn't perform college.